The best swimming pool filter by far is the AFM NG glass filter. In fact, this filter media is in a class of its own and is the only filter media recommended for use by Zero Chlor Pool Systems, Inc. So what is the AFM NG filter and what makes it so much better than other filters? Well, AFM NG stands for Activated Filter Media Next Generation. Basically, this is a standard sand filter, but instead of putting sand in the filter, we put AFM NG media in two different grades or sizes of glass media into the filter. How they produce AFM NG to be so effective is a closely guarded secret and is currently the only filter media that can make the following claims. So when buying, it is important to get the acronym right. AFM NG for Activated Filter Media Next Generation. AFM NG media effectively filters down to 1 micron filtration when installed properly. For those of you not familiar with swimming pool filter ratings, this is a game changer. For those of you who are familiar with filters but simply don't believe the 1 micron claim, we suggest checking the NSF website for testing and certification information. 1 micron filtration is 15 times better than sand and 5 times better than DE. Why is this a big deal? Well, many of the biothreats in your pool water are smaller than what your current filter can handle. For example, the leading cause of waterborne illness every year is cryptosporidium. This is because crypto is right around 2 to 3 microns in size, and pool filters, including DE filters, simply can't capture crypto. The crypto passes right through the filter media and stays in the pool water. To add insult to injury, crypto cannot be killed by chlorine unless the chlorine levels are super high for extended periods of time, which is an unrealistic sanitation plan for your pool. This is why AFM NG filters are the only pool filtration system recommended for use with Zero Chlor Pool Systems. When you upgrade your pool to zero salt and or zero chlorine, you want the pool water to be filtered in the most effective way possible. The good news is that AFM NG pool filters are only a few $100s more than a sand filter, and they are super easy for your pool pro to install or for you to install yourself. They are also very easy to operate and have the lowest maintenance cost of any other filter on the market today. You can purchase AFM NG through ZeroChlorPoolSystems.com. There are many products out there which sound similar but don't come close in performance, so please make sure you are purchasing AFM NG media for your filter.